Good morning, everyone. I'm back in this location that I took the previous video. I can link it here somewhere. I don't know where. And yeah, I came here straight from the city. It was like a 40-minute drive or something, and I came here. I didn't think that it was going to have much, so I went out from my previous position from the previous video that it was up there, and I came down here because there is these rocks that I also took a photo the last time. This one's here. Ooh. Down there, those ones there. I cannot point it in the right there. Yeah, so then I wanted to take a photo of these rocks because I knew that the sun was gonna shine more or less on this direction from previous times that I have been here. And yes, so then I was hoping actually that the sun was gonna shine through this direction because the horizon was completely covered. But there are some gaps in between the clouds where the sun is rising, and yeah, there is these gaps in between the clouds, and here it's always interesting, right? Because my previous shot, as you can see, was this one here, right? And look how cool, like with these gaps there is always some light shining on the ridge of the mountain. And because of things like this, it's the reason why I like coming to the same place many times. So I just wanted to try a different composition today, and thought in going telephoto, thought in trying different things, but I guess the way that I compose this image now, with the ridge as a foreground and the rocks in the middle, I'm not sure if I'm really satisfied, but I need to go back to the computer to see if they can make the colors pop and see how the composition really went. I took other shots as well that frame it also with the ridge, but there is no anchoring on the right side of the image. So let's see. I'm not sure if anything is gonna come out from this, but I wanted to get out of the apartment anyway, and woke up at what, 6 something? No, I woke up at 5:30. Then I was here around 6. Yes. But then didn't start filming until I was kind of sure that I was gonna get something out of the sky, because so I didn't start filming until I knew that I was gonna get something out of the sky. And oh, nice waves. Damn, this place is really nice, with the waves crashing down here. Oh, it's starting to rain. It said that it would start raining, and it finally started. Let me start packing things up a bit. I'm not sure how heavy this is gonna be, but now that I found a new composition, actually I would like to try it out, and talk to you guys soon. Yeah, interesting morning. A little bit more rushed than what I expected it to be. I didn't have a plan, frankly, because when I checked the weather forecast, it was saying that it will be covered, quite well covered here. And when I got here, it was well covered. So I didn't have much of a hope that we would get some windows of light in between the clouds. And I did get some light, and the colors started like pretty amazing, getting very amazing. Then I didn't have time to start setting it up and all of the shot and all of this conversation, this back and forth. But I hope that you enjoy the photos. I took some that they were very nice. This line of rocks or reefs, I don't know what you call it, on the water, that I took a shot from it last time, but I took it with a 100 to 400, and this time I just took it with a 100mm. And before, since I isolated just a tiny piece of the rock, now I decided to take like almost the entire length of the shot, the photo of the rock. And it's such a nice formation, and like maybe it was part of this entire thing that collapsed after some time. I don't know. But anyway, so then I took this, which was, I think it's gonna be nice. And then I took another one, also from the rock, but there was this gap in this cliff. There is this gap where you can take some shots. You can see another rock in between the gap, and then the waves are breaking, and then there is the sunset behind, the sunrise behind, and the clouds. So I think this is also gonna look good. But overall, it started like in a kind of a bad note, and it surprised at the end, and it gave me, I think it's gonna give me some good shots. Maybe not portfolio, but doesn't matter, right? Got out of the house, came here, took a walk. Oh, so more rain. Took a walk and relaxed. It's good. I'm gonna have a lot more time in Madeira. These waves are amazing. I just keep on looking at the waves, and I keep on missing them because I'm talking to the camera. But I'm gonna have some more time in Madeira here, at least 1 more month doing this. And this time I'm trying to make things more different. Like instead of stressing so much about me not vlogging at the same time that I'm shooting, I'm gonna try something a little bit more different, where I shoot, and when I have time to vlog, then I talk to the camera, then I do this, and then when I don't have, then maybe it's just some nice nature videos, and I hope that you appreciate, because I really enjoy doing this, and it's finally getting out of the apartment. It's very nice, and it's not everyone that can right now. Thankfully we managed, and we could come here. And, yeah, but now I'm gonna go get to the car and enjoy my breakfast, which is just an apple and an orange. And more waves. And I will try to find there is some hiking opportunities in this area that I would like to investigate. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time today already to do it, but as I said before, there is more time for me to start doing these things. Yeah, well, thanks for today. This was very nice, and I didn't expect it to be. Yeah, I'll see you soon then, and I hope that you like the photos, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe and like the video, because it helps the channel and all of these things, and visit my website. Yeah, there is more shots of this location. If you didn't like this ones, there's more shots of this location, but over there. Alright,